Love it, man.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vibes with Nea. I also go by Tanea. So today's video, I'm going to be doing a install and review. So today is going to be I don't know how to pronounce the name of this company, but it's Aisi Queen Wigs. And this wig is from Amazon. It was $25.99 plus tax. This is the bag that it came in. On the back it says best design gives you the best. This wig is a long straight 24-inch synthetic wig with a middle part with blonde highlights. It came with this cute little thank you note with some washing instructions inside. If y'all can see. There we go. And then here's the wig, which I'm gonna get into in a second. And it came with two wig caps, which I will be using. So now into the wig. I opened it when I first ordered it. So this is the part. I know it looks crazy. I know it looks crazy. Just wait a second. I know. Just give it a second. I promise you, we're gonna hook it up. We're gonna be looking like Beyonce, okay? Then it has like this little wig tag inside with the name of the company and their customer service and how to reach out to them if you have an issue. And then the wig, it just has this little tiny closure. This little piece of lace right here, just down the middle, with this little like scratchy kind of material. It has two combs right here, a elastic band, and another comb in the back. So now let me try the wig on. I'm gonna pluck it and style it for you guys on camera. I'm gonna keep it straight. As you can see, I did my makeup. I already did my cornrows. Okay, so this wig is definitely not big head friendly because I have a small head and it's already like barely any space on this unit. Let me get a brush real quick and I'll be right back. All right, so far it's so good with this wig. It's very silky and thick, but it's tangling a little bit and it does not have a smell. It smells actually pretty good. It doesn't smell like a chemical or anything. The hairs are really getting in my face, child. But yeah, let me brush out the ends a little bit. And then we're gonna move on to plucking the parts so it can look nicer and more realistic. But isn't this cute? Like this is a pretty ass wig. And I hope I can slay it. Now it doesn't have edges, so like if you push it behind your ear, it's just gonna look like that. It's gonna look crazy. Unless you like pull some baby hair out or something. So let's get into the plucking. Alright, now we got the wig on the wig head to get ready for plucking. It did have quite a bit of shedding. When I put it on the wig head, I started combing and I know y'all can see all this hair. But at the same time, like, it's synthetic. It was a $25 wig. What all do you expect? But it's very thick and silky, just like that blonde unit I had in my first video. But anyway, let's get into plucking. I might have to yank the hairs out because sometimes these synthetic wigs be acting funny and don't want to like let you pluck. So I'm just gonna pluck until the part looks how I desire. Alright, so I just finished plucking the part and I'm praying to God that this mess don't look crazy because a piece of me feels that I overplucked it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
And you know, shit happens sometimes. That part is a little wide. It's a little wide and I'm not gonna lie to you. But guess what? We're gonna keep going. And I want to put some darker makeup right there. So let me position this how I want it. I'm gonna go ahead and spray it down and put the elastic band on. All I gotta do is spray it right here and a little bit of lace. This wig is so interesting, but let's see if we can finesse it. All right, so I'm gonna tie this down and I'm gonna leave it on for about, I wanna say like 10-15 minutes. And then I'm gonna take it out. If you're wondering what this is, I burned myself doing my hair. I'm very clumsy. Yes, me and flat irons do not get along. Alright, I'm excited to see if I can actually make this look good. I'm gonna try to fix this part while I'm gone, and I'll see y'all back when it's dry, and I'm gonna clean that up a little bit. But yeah, alright, so let's go ahead and take the headscarf off. This wig is tangling and shedding, child, but it is a really pretty wig. It is like the perfect dupe for the Eunice wig. That Eunice highlight wig, but it's synthetic instead of human. So now I'm gonna cut the lace off. All right, so that little lace is gone. So now you gotta like create yourself some baby hairs. All right, so I guess I gotta go get my edge brush again that I thought I brought over here. I'll be back. It turns out it was over here. I just dropped it on the floor. Anywho, let's, you know, pull out a little bit of hair that's in the front. All right, so we're gonna cut this section and we're gonna swoop it, okay? Don't cut it too short, because then if it's too short, then you might not like it. So make it a little longer. Cut it off. Ooh, this hair getting all in my lip gloss and stuff. Child. All right. So now we got our little baby hair right here, and we're gonna slick it down. I've been using this lately, the Shears Balm Edge Control. Baby, this with Edge Booster mixed up with Gorilla Snot, because my hair is crazy and don't want to cooperate. It's like literally the best stuff in the world. All right, and we gonna swoop. All right, we gonna swoop-de-doo. Okay. It's so weird doing this on camera. If y'all ever decide to become a YouTuber, you'll know, like, in real life, stuff be going smooth, but for some reason, when you be trying to film it, everything be wanting to go wrong. And I just don't get it, you know? Here, you got your little baby here. But I'm finna cut that some more. Not me throwing the freaking razor blade across the room. Okay, I fixed the baby hair. It's semi how I wanted, and this is pretty much the finished look of the wig. I think it's extremely pretty. I'm in love with these highlights. This wig is bomb. I don't think you'll get more than 5 wears out of it unless you're like very, very careful with it, or you're like me where you change your wig like not even every week, every few days, depending on how you feel. Then it'll last a while. It's very silky. It does tangle easily. But overall, I think it's a great unit for the price. It was only $26, so you literally get what you pay for. And it has a little bit of lace. Cute. Tell me what you think. Would you buy this? Aside from the few cons I listed, would you wear this? I'm acting like we're doing a whole photo shoot. Work it, work it. Don't stop, pop that. No, I'm kidding. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of the video, guys. I'll see you next week for the next video. And yeah, tell me what you think. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. And vibe with Naya. Remember, we a vibe, not a wave. I'm out.